Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into these two streaming service platforms. Help you decide which of these streaming platform will be a better choice or a better option for you in 2025. So let's dive into it. So talking about Hulu Live TV, it combines over 90 plus channel with Hulu's massive on-demand library, making it a strong all-in-one option for both live and streaming entertainment. It includes local network, popular cable channel, unlimited DVR, and access to Hulu originals, which is a big plus for those who want variety beyond just live podcasts. So talking about pricing is competitive compared to other live TV service, and the bundle with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus had even more value. So talking about Fubo TV, on the other hand, is built for sport lovers. It offers over 200 plus live channels, including regional sports, international leagues, and the niche network you want to find on Hulu Live TV. Its entertainment and news coverage has solid too, but the biggest drawback is the price. Fubo is generally more expensive, especially once you add fee, so you have after a mix of live TV and on-demand shows. So Hulu Live TV is a smart pick, but if live sport coverage is your top priority, Fubo TV is the clear winner in this aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.